Hi everyone, welcome to this video on how to choose the right flooring for your home. Choosing the right flooring for your home is an important decision as it can have a big impact on the overall look and feel of your space. In this video, I'll be sharing some tips on how to choose the right flooring for your home. Tip number 1. Consider your lifestyle. Your lifestyle is an important factor to consider when choosing flooring. If you have kids or pets, you may want to choose a flooring material that is durable and easy to clean. Tip number 2. Think about the room's purpose. The purpose of the room is another important factor to consider when choosing flooring. Kitchens and bathrooms typically require flooring that is water resistant, while bedrooms and living rooms may benefit from a cozier material like carpet or hardwood. Tip number 3. Consider your budget. Flooring can be a significant investment, so it's important to consider your budget when making a decision. There are a variety of flooring options available at different price points, so you can find something that fits your budget and your style. Tip number 4. Take into account maintenance requirements. Different flooring materials have different maintenance requirements, so it's important to consider how much time and effort you are willing to put into maintaining your flooring. Tip number 5. Choose a material that matches your style. Your flooring should reflect your personal style, so choose a material that matches the overall look and feel of your home. Whether you prefer traditional hardwood, modern tile, or something in between, there are plenty of options to choose from. I hope these tips have helped you in choosing the right flooring for your home. With a bit of research and consideration, you can find a flooring material that meets your needs and complements the style of your home. Thank you for watching.